Number 2, dribble goal. Pass to number 2. 15-second shot clock. To number 11 for 3. No good. Rebound number 13. Pass to number 11. 7-second shot clock. Foul. Committed by number 8. Mendoza. 6 minutes and 40 seconds to play. 1 point. Number 11. Number 5, Paraiso Dos leading the ball. Pass to number 8. To number 17. Number 17. No good. Rebound by number 25. Intercepted by number 17. Intercepted by number 11. Of Ilaya. Number 11. Pass to number 13. 2 points. Number 13. Score 8-5 in favor of Ilaya. Number 8.
14 shot clock.
Pass to number 16. Intercepted by number 11. Oh, nakuha ng number 5. Upurok Paraiso Dos. Number 5. Pinasa sa number 16. No good. Rebound number 8. 2 points. Number 8. 5 minutes and 30 seconds to play. 5 minutes and 30 seconds for the first quarter. Number 2. For 3. No good. Rebound by number 11. Back to number 2. Intercepted by number 17. 5 minutes and 5 seconds to play. Number 16. 2 points. Number 16. Number 11. Dribbling the ball. No good. Nakuha na number 25. Intercepted by Mendoza. Mendoza pass to Rilio to number 5. 2 points. Number 5. 4 minutes and 38 seconds to play. Number 2. Number 2 dribbling the ball. Foul. Committed by Rilio. Number 12. Substitution ref.
Remaining time 4 minutes and 27 seconds.
Number 18 to number 24, intercepted by number 8 to number 1, Quaison to number 22, 2 points. Number 22, 4 minutes and 10 seconds to play. Guadalupe, number 13. Foul 17. Substitution ref. 28 out, 17 in. Upurok Paraiso Dos. Number 18, pass to number 11 for 3. No good.
Outside.
Same ball. Bola sa Ilaya. Sa Upurok Paraiso Dos. Number 5. Pass to number 22, no good. Number 13, dribbling the ball. Foul. Number 28, Guerba. Personal foul. 3 minutes and 32 seconds to play. 3:32. Number 11, pass to number 24. Intercepted by number 22 of Paraiso Dos. Pinasa kay Mendoza. Number 8, Mendoza, dribbling the ball. Pass to number
14
5.
shot clock.
Back to number 8 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 24. Of Purok Ilaya. Intercepted by number 22. Pass to number 5. Number 5, Dumiritso. Pasok. 2 points. Number 5. 3 minutes to play. Substitution ref. Number 8, pass to number 1.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 47 seconds.
It's Elias ball.
Sab lang sab ah.
Number 25. Pass to number 13. Number 13. Back to number 5. To number 13. To number 11.
13
Aside.
shot left.
Number 11. No good. Mendoza. Pass to Guerba. Number 28. Nagsulo. Pasok. 2 points. Guerba. Number 3. Number 3. Pass to number 13.
13 shot left.
Number 13. Foul. Number 18. Penalty. Para Isodos. Under substitution ref. Remaining time 2 minutes and 11 seconds in the first quarter. Second throw. Pasok. Number 22. Same ball. Bola sa Paraiso 2. Number 18.
Last 2 minutes.
Number 16. Trico. No good. So babay mo dito. Pass to number 1. To number 16. Number 16 to number 8. 28. 2 points. Guerba. Number 28. 1 minute and 40 seconds to play. Number 3. Same ball. To number 25, 2 points, number 25. Running score, 14-18 in favor of Paraiso 2. Number 1, pass to number 18, Hokson. Pass to number 16 for 2. No good. Rebound by number 22. 22. No good. 25 of Purok Ilaya on rebound. Pass to number 11. Number 11. Pass to number 3. Number 3 to number 25. Number 25. Tumira ng 2. Wala.
Last 1 minute.
Quaison in the rebound. Quaison dribbling the ball.
55.
Intercepted by number 16. Trico. Number 16.
14 shot left.
To number 11. Kasay for 3. Wala. Rebound by number 18 of Paraiso 2. To number 16. Number 16 to number 22.
35.
No good. Lumabas number 22 on rebound. Wala. Number 11. Ubilaya. Dribbling the ball. Dumiritso. Wala. Rebound by number 16. Wow. Committed by number
Remaining time 20 seconds.
of Purok Ilaya. It's a long pass to number 22. Dumiritso. Wala. Rebound by number 3. Number 3. Dribble the ball. Pinasa sa number 13, 16.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
No good.